Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all well. Don't forget there is a giveaway on the channel, so don't miss it. Today the video is about 67 Ford Anglia Racer. It is based on the 4th generation Ford Anglia, which is a small family car made from 1959 to 1967. This diecast car was designed by Mark Jones and released in 2023 as a part of the Hot Wheels Boulevard series. In a simpler terms, this toy is a race-ready version of a compact British car, the Ford Anglia. But before we dwell into detail, let's unbox it. And it is designed as an American influences, and it's imagined to have a 1.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. And this looks really cool. It has a sky blue body with a detailed headlights and can be seen 67 on the hood, and has a detailed tail light, has a Bell and Ford logo on the sides and the Anglia on the rear sides, and it has a detailed white stripe on the hood and sides. The interior is black with the tinted windows, and it has a mini wheels. So Hot Wheels modified this casting into a race car by taking off the front and the rear bumpers, then added the over fenders, make it look bold and the visible like a racing look. The white stripe running from the front to the back gives it a sporty feel, helping it to shine on the track. So if you're a fan of vintage racing car, the 67 Ford Anglia Racer is definitely a cool addition to your collection, and this one is going into my collection. So that's it for today's video. Remember to like and subscribe for more. Are you already a part of the Chill with Sabby community? Thanks for your support. Don't forget to watch my other videos and share them with friends. Let's expand the Chill with Sabby community together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.